I started my first company when I was just 19 years old. A long time ago, I think it's 30 years now or so. Along the way, I discovered something powerful. Helping others succeed actually made me a better leader. Don't grow too fast. Lock in your systems first, then scale. That's the path to flexibility, freedom, and purpose. I know exactly what it feels like to start from scratch. I did it myself. That's why I love giving others a hand up and showing them what's possible. For me, it always comes down to this: value first. I work with immigrant owners who started with very little, like myself. Now they own their own homes, they drive nice cars, they take vacations, and they send their kids to college. That's the power of leading by example. The biggest challenge is inconsistency. I help owners build solid systems and processes so businesses can last, scale, and even sell. Because in business, it's always show me, don't tell me. I think we have a great team. I think you're going to benefit from everyone's skill set. And at the end of the day, our job and our purpose is for you to have flexibility, freedom, and purpose in your life.